What's inside?
Hai, welcome back again to Sweetie India.
Hi Hidayah.
Welcome back to
Come back to Swedish Daya channel. Eh? Okay. Hidayah, are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay. You have a surprise egg today.
Yeah.
Okay, Hidayah. How many eggs you have? Can you count? Good one. Yeah, you can. Okay, is Hidayah exciting?
Yeah.
Okay, they're gonna opening the egg today, and then we're gonna see what is inside.
Cherry.
Okay. So, what do you have today, Hidayah? What's inside the cherry? Is that the cherry egg? And what's the second one, the yellow one? That's mini apple. Can you show to mommy? Yes, this cherry. Okay, the mini apple. Can you show me? Hidayah has mini apple. And also Hidayah has this one, the flower, and then the PomPom. Okay. We're gonna move the egg here. Okay, can you help?
Okay.
Move here. Here. Oh, the PomPom one. Oh. Oh. It's funny. Okay. Okay, you ready? How about we gonna open with this mini apple first? Yay!
Wow.
Oh, look at mommy. You have. The princess. Hidayah got the princess with the horse. Hidayah. What's color her hair?
Red.
Okay, good job. How about her tails? The tails.
Purple.
And yeah, with the hair purple.
Then
Okay.
purple.
Yeah, we're gonna put here. Next, we're gonna open the cherry ones. Wow! So what's the treasure? Another? Can you show me? Hidayah got the little girl riding the unicorns. What's color her hair?
Yeah.
Yeah. How about her tail and her hair?
Pink.
Yeah, and it has some small unicorns. What's color?
White.
Yeah, the body is white and this is yellow. Cute to be put here. Okay, next. Okay.
Wow.
The eggs with the flower, that one. You got little pony. What color her hair?
Pink.
Pink. Her body.
What?
White. The white little pony has some heart in here.
Oh.
It's so adorable. Okay, next you have the PomPom. What? The PomPom. It's little pony again. Let mommy see. This is the blue color. Her hair is Hidayah. It's so beautiful. It's so cute, little pony. Should we put here?
No, I put my everywhere.
Okay. Next. Open the next egg. Wow, what's inside? The unicorn? Let's show to mommy. Show to mommy. Is this really adorable unicorns? Right, Hidayah? You want to help mommy first?
Yeah, I'm here.
Hidayah got this unicorns. What color are his horn?
Yellow.
Yellow. His hair?
Yellow.
Yellow. His tail?
Yellow.
His feet?
Yellow.
Her body?
Yellow.
No, her body. Yeah. This is really cute unicorns.
Nice.
Put on here, okay?
Snakes.
We're gonna put actually right here. Next, the green egg.
Mine.
You need help?
Look again.
That's okay. That's okay.
Again.
Bunchy. It's funny. Open. What's inside? What's inside? Wow, another little pony. What color is this? Silver.
Silver.
Yes. Is this has wing?
It's a wing.
Yeah, we're gonna put it here, okay? Oh no. Okay, next. Next. the
May
yellow one.
help. May help.
You need help?
Mhm.
Okay.
Help.
Wow, what is that? Another?
It's sweet.
Is quick, yes. Hidayah got another unicorn, and actually this is like rubber. It's really, really adorable. Mint color unicorn. Hidayah. Hidayah got this ones. Isn't it really cute?
Yeah, it's
What color is this?
green.
Green. Okay,
I'm
we're gonna put there.
cleaning.
Okay.
Wow.
Wow, wow, wow. You can squeeze it actually. Squeeze it, squeeze it.
Squeeze. Squeeze.
Okay, next. The blue?
Yeah.
You need help?
Yeah.
What?
Help. Help. Help.
Okay.
Help. Help.
Okay.
I'm sorry, you cannot scale.
Okay. Open. Wow, what is inside? You have another unicorn? You got two of them? Yeah. Is this like twins?
Mommy.
Okay.
Go to mommy.
Okay. The last one. Oh, that's okay. Okay. Okay, last one. Let mommy need help. Open.
Yeah.
Wow, Hidayah last one got the pink little pony. Hidayah, what color is this?
Pink.
Pink. Okay. Hidayah,
Hmm?
are you done for today? Yes?
No.
No? I think we're done for today, okay? Thank you for watching our video. See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye.